lovers of realistic miniatures. In today's episode, there are a lot of cool new products: sandals, earrings, a pencil case, pencils, and a cosmetic bag. Let's see how it's done. We bend the two cardboard soles slightly. We cover it with shiny adhesive paper and carefully cut along the contour. We glue a jumper to the sole exactly according to the doll's leg size. We tie the golden lace with a hoop. We glue one end, try it on again, and fasten the strap. We cover the end of the workpiece with hot glue, wrap it with glitter paper, and press it well. We carefully cut off the excess paper. We glue a layer of foam paper to the platform and carefully align it. Barbie tries on wonderful sandals. Beautiful! We make holes on a mother-of-pearl cardboard and insert pins into them. We bite off the excess and fasten it with hot glue. We cover balls of the pins with transparent glue for costume jewelry. We place hearts, flowers, rhinestones, and balls on top. So many new earrings! We carefully remove the colored rods from the old markers. We carefully insert the rods into the wide straws. We close the tip with glue and paint it with black varnish. We insert the photo of Elsa and Anna into the transparent case, place miniature pencils, and put them in the satchel. We cut off part of the ampule, fill it with gel with sequins, and seal the cut over the fire. The tip of the cap is polished with a file from the felt tip pin. We glue the lid to the tube. We decorate the gel with a photo of Kitty. Now Barbie has pretty tubes of gel. They are very realistic. Blue and pink gel. Which one is better? We connect the sticker with LOL dolls with a piece of foam paper. We roll up the blank and glue it to the zipper. We make sidewalls from foam paper. We cut off the excess and decorate it with a gold ball chain. The cosmetic bag is super! We assemble a table lamp from a wire, a bell, and a rose. We make a blank from foam paper, glue a high side in a circle. We pour sequins into the recess, apply glue along the contour, and close it with a transparent plate. We glue the phone on the backside. Everything is sparkling, shining! We wrap the photo of Barbie with a film and carefully seal it with fire along a metal ruler. We fill it with sequins and get wonderful shakers. We stretch the spring. We collect the notebook and glue the spring to the spine. We get unique notebooks. Very stylish. We glue a photo of Rapunzel to a blank page made of cardboard. We add foam paper pads with felt pen holders. We connect it with a plate of thick felt. We bend it in a book. We glue a strip of sparkling foam paper. We carefully trim it and cut it strictly in the middle. We decorate the photo of Rapunzel. The pencil case is done! From the ampule, we make a cylinder with a bottom made of hot glue. We pierce the hole, we clamp the edges, and carefully seal them with fire. We paint with silver varnish. We make out a sticker with a fruit. We choose different fruits. We unbend the paperclip and carefully remove the colored tube from it. We insert a mini straw into a jar with juice. Barbie chose her favorite, apple juice. We cut the rings from a straw. With a hole punch, we make multicolored circles from foam paper. We collect mugs and a flower. We cut the rings. We glue one of them to the finished sole. We paint it with yellow varnish. We add a flower and a second ring. We glue the blank to a foam paper, cut it out along the contour. Pretty sandals!